project is going to be making your own chalkboard using just paper and black paint. In your play packs this week, we'll be sending one piece of thick white paper, one tiny container of black glue, a full box of colored chalk. First, let's try painting the black onto our piece of paper. You might want to cover the whole paper so you have enough room to draw. So easy! Now we let it dry for at least 1 hour. While that black paint is drying, let's see if we can't make this art project more interesting. In our Caterpillars play pack, we're sending home thin paper tape. Let's see what happens if we put down paper tape before the black. What shapes will you put your paper tape in? It's probably easier to leave a little piece of paper tape on the side so we can pull it up without tearing. Do you think the black paint will go through the paper tape? I'm excited to see what happens. Wow! That experiment worked! What would happen if we used a giant piece of paper to make our chalkboard? I'm looking at you, Stars. It looks like there's a little spot that didn't dry. Make sure you let your paper dry long enough so the chalk will stay on the black paint, just like a chalkboard. Ooh, I like how he looks. Okay, let's try the tape one. Look at all the shapes the tape has made. I think I'll fill it in with colors. Once you're done drawing, now it's time to pull the tape up. This you might want to do slowly so it doesn't tear the paper. Ooh, I like it. What does yours look like? That was fun, whether it's making a picture or making shapes. What will you make with your chalkboard? And Stars, what will you make with your giant chalkboard? Be sure to send some pictures of what you guys make. All right, I'll see you next time.